Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, want to quickly thank you guys for the support on the channel. If you like the content, if you like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. As you can see here, I'd like to talk about the Acorns investment application, in particular the 7-week investment of the most aggressive portfolio on this application. If you guys remember, 7 weeks ago I put in about $500 and I've been following this forward to see what kind of performance this Acorns investment app can do. For new investors on the channel, this is a very passive way to invest. The application simply has you choose between 5 different levels of risk tolerance, very generically, 1 being the most conservative, 5 being the most aggressive, and then depending on that level of risk, the company will automatically buy and sell securities on your behalf. You don't have to go in, select securities to buy and sell or when to buy and sell those. The company will do that. You simply put money in and the company will invest your money. Very, very passive way of investing. Unlike Stash Invest, unlike Robinhood, Acorns is very, very passive. You can see here the total portfolio value right now, $515.89. Put $500 in back in August on 2 different payments. Put $5 in to kind of test out the waters, and then put another $495 in to get the balance up to $500. And then I've been following this forward. You can see the market gain and loss is actually $18.85, 3.77%. And that difference is the number of dollars worth of fees taken out. So $3 of fees have been taken out because this application actually charges you $1 per month to invest with this company. Again, the levels of risk tolerance will specify exactly what you're buying. So you can see here generically there are large company stocks, small company stocks, emerging market stocks, real estate stocks, and international large company stocks. This is the most aggressive. As you get more conservative, the international large company stocks, emerging market stocks decrease, your large company stocks increase, then your small company stocks will decrease. And when you get to the most conservative investment, you also will have some bonds that are bought on your behalf. Percentage-wise, you can see here about 40% large company stocks, 20% small company stocks, 10% of each of the emerging market stocks, and as well as the real estate stocks, and then another 20% for international large company stocks. And typically, those, along with the emerging market stocks and small company stocks, are very, very risky. So very, very risky, very good likelihood that they can trend up or down very aggressively. So that's why this is the most aggressive mix here. And if we click on each of these individual banners, you'll actually see there's an underlying ETF associated with each of these. So large company stocks is simply VOO, a Vanguard S&P 500 fund. And you'll kind of see here that these are mostly Vanguard funds, if not all of them, for the aggressive portfolio. When you get to the other portfolios, they're not all Vanguard, but the majority are. So small company stocks, again, just a Vanguard fund, Vanguard small cap ETF, a VB. Emerging markets, another Vanguard fund, emerging markets ETF, VWO. Real estate is the Vanguard Real Estate Investment Trust or REIT Index ETF, VNQ. And the international large company stocks, another Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets Fund, VEA. So all Vanguard accounts here, they simply buy on your behalf. And like Stash Invest, this also will invest in fractional shares of a stock. So you can see, don't quite have enough money to buy an entire share of VOO up on top there, large company stocks. VOO currently $234 plus if we click on that here. So it'll simply buy a fractional share. And you can see I have 0.88 of a share of large company stock. So very much like Stash Invest, that you don't have to buy that entire stock. With Robinhood, you'd have to go ahead and buy that entire $234 stock to get that in your portfolio. But kind of cool here. So again, I have the most aggressive portfolio here, and it's up 3.77% since August. And I'm not really that impressed. The market overall is up way above that. The Stash Invest application is up by a large margin, and I did the all investment portfolio for my Stash Invest comparison account. That's really not trying to maximize return, and that's doubling or not, if not tripling, this particular return here. And the Robinhood portfolio is way, way above this one or the Stash Invest portfolio. So far, Robinhood has been the best. Stash Invest has been second, but could be even better if I did a focused max return portfolio. And this one here, I have no control. I simply put in money. It does whatever it does on the other end. It's a little bit unclear when they are buying and selling stocks on your behalf. You simply will see every day your balance changing, and then you can also click in here and see how many stocks you have bought. But there's really no cash balance at all in this particular application, so don't really like it for that fact. For new investors with zero market experience, zero knowledge about the markets, I think this would be okay, but there's really no fun in this particular application. Stash Invest, I think, is much better. It is not like Robinhood where you can buy thousands of stocks. It's limited, 38 different stocks in 38 ETFs in one stock, and you can go ahead and buy and sell off in a limited fashion. So I like Stash Invest more than this particular application, but I think it does have its merits. But so far, not impressed. Only 3.78% when the market, I think, in this time frame is up 12 to 13%. So not a great performance track record so far. But so far, that's what's happened with the portfolio here. Again, the 7-week performance of the most aggressive portfolio within Acorns here. If you guys are on Acorns, let me know how you guys are doing with your portfolios. I haven't really tried out any of the other risk tolerance levels here. Maybe even they are doing better than the most aggressive portfolio. Typically, the most aggressive portfolio should be trending up the most quickly since it's the most aggressive type of investments. When the market's doing well, this should be doing very, very well, but really it hasn't been the case here, only up 3.77%. So let me know if you guys are on Stash Invest, if you're on one of the other levels, not the most aggressive, anything else besides the most aggressive, let me know. And if you are in the most aggressive, maybe you put money in before I did and you have a better performance. That could be the case, but so far, not impressed. So either way, let me know. Let me know if you guys have had Acorns, have moved on to Stash Invest or Robinhood or a different type of account, M1 Finance, Betterment, a lot of different types of accounts out there. Let me know what you guys are doing. So yeah, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.